We can't just pick the first one we see. James is really liking this tree. We saw it right when we got out of the car. Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon. I'm so excited because the day has come. We are going to get our Christmas tree today. I'm just getting ready really quick. We need to get out there soon. We kind of had to wait till a little later in the day. It was raining this morning and there was like wind advisories, but it's kind of calming down now. This will be me and James's third year getting a live tree, so it's kind of our tradition now. We've been going to the same place the last 2 years and I think we're gonna go back there again. I love the live trees because I love the smell and it reminds me of like Christmases when I was a little girl and I always loved getting a live tree. Also just the experience of like going outside and getting to experience that is really fun. This is what I do when I'm really lazy. I just use this blush as my eyeshadow. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to decorate the tree. It is gonna be like the felt kind of fairy woodland magical theme again. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you've not already, and let's go have so much fun getting our tree and decorating it together. So we're getting ready to go get the tree. Hold out the good old tree stand. Tree will go here in front of the bookshelf. Sam's putting his shoes on. Sorry, Flower, you have to stay at home. We're gonna come home and have a Christmas tree when we get back. Had to stop and get gas. I'm making James drive as always. That one right there. We just got to the tree farm. It's really cold and windy out here, but the trees are looking cute. We're gonna go start looking around for our tree. Oh, that one's nice. We can't just pick the first one we see.
It's about the right size too.
Yeah.
Good shape.
He likes this one.
There's just like one little bare spot right here, but that's it. Good one.
Yeah. James is really liking this tree. We saw it right when we got out of the car. It is really nice. It's really wide, but it's just the right height. We're gonna keep looking. I can't just cut like the first one we see. Puppy came to see us. Hi!
You come to say hi. We're gonna help us pick a tree.
Aww.
Show us where the good trees are. Yeah, this one's huge. It's about the right height.
Yeah, I think that's too poofy. I think that'd take up the whole living. Yeah. You think so? As I think this might be the one. First one we saw. It's really full. It's the right height.
Perfect.
What do you think?
It'll look good with your decorations on it.
Yeah. What do you think?
Is that the right tree?
I think the dog likes it too. Alright, let's do it.
Let's cut her down.
Let's cut it down.
I'm gonna try and push it that way.
Okay.
This is a big one.
Need a break? You gonna be able to get it?
Yeah, I'm like 3/4 of the way through it.
Okay. I didn't think James was gonna make it. He had to pause and brake multiple times, but he finally got it down. I hope it's not too big. I'm a little nervous for when we get it home. Come on.
We'll just drive her back down.
That's fine. So we knew we'd be getting a tree today, but we didn't know we'd be adopting a husky. I left my door open and this dog just jumped in the car and it won't get out of the back seat because it smells our dog. I can't wait to see this guy's face when he sees the dog. Oh, hi!
Hi.
Oh my god, I'm dying. You're just a baby.
All bailed up.
Bring her in.
Ready, Roo?
Yep. Ready, Ruo.
Okay.
I want to twist.
Walk her in.
Okay, have some water. That looks funny. Here it is. Our tree is all set up and ready to decorate, and it smells really good. We're watching a Harry Potter movie marathon. We like to watch all the Harry Potter movies around this time of year every year. The setup went so much better than last year. If you want to go back and watch our Christmas tree video from last year, you can see that our tree stand broke last year and our whole tree fell down. No accidents thus far, so we're happy. Tree fell over and our tree stand broke. Just tested all the lights and thank goodness they work. I found the smart plug. I found that this is really handy to plug your lights into and then you can just control your lights from your phone. So that's really nice. Little Christmas tip for ya. So our lights didn't make it. We have to go to the store and buy more lights. So we're gonna run out to the dollar store. We'll be back. was a lot of ornaments. I thought I was done, and then I completely forgot about all these little poofs I like to stick in the tree. I'm gonna put these in, and then it'll be done. I'm gonna turn off all of the lights so that we can see what it looks like in the dark with the lights on. It looks really good. I am so happy with how it came out. I think I like it even better than our tree last year. It just looks so magical and whimsical and fun, but still Christmassy. We had so much fun getting our real tree and putting it up today. It is a process, but I feel like it's worth it. And our house seriously smells so good. That is gonna do it for this week's decorating video. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us. I hope that you're having a wonderful holiday season, and until next week, please remember that you are special, beautiful, and magical, and I love you so much. Bye.